Hello guys, welcome to this video. I hope you're having a good evening. Well, it's about 7 o'clock when I'm recording at this time in the crypto market. I have selected 3 coins for you. One with a decently sized market cap in the billions. One with a medium sized market cap, slightly lower in the millions, hundreds of millions. And then one hidden gem that I think is going to be one of the top runners in this bull market. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is there's so many coins today in the market. I can't even keep up to speed myself. It's absolutely unbelievable how many new coins are just doing 3x, 4x in a day. It's not possible to keep up with it. So this is a very simple video, just some chart analysis. We're going to look at the charts, and these 3 coins, the time to buy is now. This isn't a video that I'm going to be looking at these coins. I'm going to say, okay, if we drop here by 25%, sure, it's a good buy. And any coin that drops now by 20% is generally a good buy. So these are coins literally now. Now, in this moment in time, I would buy them. If I was a trader in crypto, this is not financial advice, but I myself, I'm making these trades right now. And all what I'm going to be saying now, I have money in it myself, and these are my top holding altcoins in this bull market. So with all that done, let's just hop straight into the first coin, which will be KASPA. KASPA is a pretty large coin already. It's got $3.2 billion market cap. Now, I'm not going to be going over what the actual project of this coin is. If you want to know that, you can look that up yourself. There's much better videos, and they can explain much better than what I can. So I'm just going to be going over the charts and the numbers of it without the actual projects themselves. I'll touch upon Badmad robots, which we'll be looking at later now in the video, and the other coin. But KASPA, do your own research if you want to know more about it. It's not on any main huge exchanges. It's not on Binance. It's not on Coinbase. It's not on Kraken. Not on any of these. Actually, I think it's on Perpetual. You can put leverage on Kraken if I'm not mistaken. I can't see it here now, but yeah, it's not any huge exchanges at this moment. Now, if we look at the chart, this is going down. It's been going down for a couple of days now. Actually, a bit more than a couple of days. It has been going down regularly for about 25 days. It's been a month since we've had actually a proper good uptrend from KASPA. Now you're going to be like, okay, so it's a dead coin. Why would I want to invest into this when we've got stuff like WIF doing like 50% a day? Well, this is exactly the time to buy. This is where I would be looking to buy, and I have bought here, because you don't want to be buying the highs. This is why 90% of people lose their money in the crypto space, because they buy the highs, and when it goes low, they're saying, we're in a bearish trend now, we might as well get out before it goes lower. But as you can see here, KASPA is looking really bullish at the moment. I'll just show you a couple of things that we want to be looking at here. So firstly, we've got the RSI. We're nearly going into like underbought here. So we're really quite low. We haven't got the bullish crossover yet, but that is quite fine on the daily yet. On the daily, it generally happens once you start like pumping already, then it switches in the daily, which is the bullish sign there. If you're actually looking at we're early in the bull market. It's so volatile at the moment. So I would be looking more at the 4-hourly graph rather than the daily. For me, it just suits me better in these like mid-term trades if you're going to be making them. And you can see here we've just made the bullish crossover here on the RSI, meaning that we're now getting more buys than sells generally. So this is really nice. And as you can see, we're getting back into this falling wedge, which this is extremely bullish pattern. It's somewhat like the bullish flag, except this upper resistance is more sloped than you would see on a flag. Now, from this, generally what you would always want to see is a breakout up. So if we just go with a couple waves here, the fifth should be there, or whatever your waves want to be. You can move them around, depends what you want to see as the waves. But this is basically what I'm expecting to happen, is a big leg up here. This is just basically a big wick that we can now look at from Bitcoin. Bitcoin just went down a lot when he was in this uptrending wedge, which if you were following my Twitter, you would have known about. I said this is going to be quite a big drop here. We're in this uptrending wedge. This is going to be bad, and I marked this rectangle, which was my buy zone, and as you can see, it perfectly filled that. So We did a really nice trade there on Bitcoin. But as you can see, so you can kind of ignore this. It doesn't make that much of a difference to the charts as long as it comes back into the wedge and resettles in it. We've got this support here that KASPA kind of held. It had a big wick down, but as long as you're not on like some high leverage, you don't really care about that. It also hit the 618 Fibonacci level, so the golden level there, and perfectly rebounded off of that. So it's looking really good for KASPA. So I'm expecting this breakout for KASPA right now in the next week, 2 weeks, and yeah, I'm looking up here for this next Fibonacci, this local high again, 35%, and then of course I'll be looking much higher for KASPA once we start the bullish uptrend. Then we'll go away from this and we'll go up. The last time we had a really bullish uptrend with KASPA, I was over here in February. We took it up, and what we did, we did a 2x basically. So am I expecting that again? Yes, absolutely. I am completely. KASPA's its graph is just perfect. You go up as a massive boom. We had a nice consolidation again, just as we had here. Uh, Basically just kind of a small accumulation time here, and then we went up here, and we've basically got the exact same graph repeat here, and now I'm looking for this leg up again. And if you look down here, this was 200%, this was 100%. So again, I'm looking at about a 2x, at least 100% here. If we take it from the bottom, that is from this wick, I would say that 25 is absolutely doable. I think 25 was a nice resistance point as well. With any coin, it's a nice round number, so that's 95% profit with trade if you buy it down on that wick. But I'd think from now already just go up, because I think buying now, I don't think this wick is going to come anywhere down again. I don't think we're going to be retesting this. I think we're going to be just going up into this wedge and then possibly just break out instantly. So that's my first coin. That is the safest coin is going to be on this video. The largest market cap, the best buy point because it's in a bearish trend, so it's more likely to have like less loss, you know, if what I mean. So if it goes down, it's not going to go as much as the ones that are overextended at the moment. But straight into the next coin, we have Ocean. If you don't know about Ocean, you're missing out. Ocean is one of the best AI coins, I think, in today's market. With FET, we've got this as well. I think one of the best coins as well. But Ocean and Render, I think these are the top three altcoins you could buy. PAL, of course, as well. Really strong, very small, not on any major exchanges just yet, which I think is really bullish for PAL. But on this video, I'm going to be focusing on Ocean. Ocean is an AI coin. It's something like Filecoin. You can store your data there, and you can actually sell your data on it. You can put your data into some tokens and then sell those tokens to, I'm guessing, larger companies who would be buying your data. There's also a predictor. It's called, I think it's Ocean Predictor. That it's a tool with the automatic trading robot for crypto, and it predicts where the market will be going. And with every single trade, with every minute that the bot is working, it learns more and more because it's AI. So that is what Ocean is predominantly working on, which is an interesting project. But again, I'm not the man to be looking at this. If you want more details on the projects, go look at someone else's video or look it up yourself. So yeah, in Ocean, this is a 4-hourly graph. You can see, if I just go to the daily quickly, look what we're doing. We go up, massive pump, then we kind of stabilize for a bit, and then we go up again, stabilize, go up again, stabilize. It's just a perfect bull market graph. Like honestly, this is so good. And you can see here from the top to this lower accumulation zone, 26% drop, which is again really nice and healthy. It's looking really nice for Ocean here. And again, this is where I would buy in. It's not if we drop by another 10%, I'd buy. I'd buy right now, and this is where I bought in this accumulation rectangle. Which, if you wonder how I make these rectangles, drop a comment down below, and I will make a video on how I find my entries and my exits. But generally, this is just where we're going to be rebouncing. It's also very on point with the Fibonacci line here. So it's got like 2 levels of support there. Absolutely really strong support here. I'd be surprised if we ever drop below that again. As long as the Bitcoin large consolidation doesn't come anytime soon, I don't think Ocean will be going below $1 here, below this bottom line anytime soon, if ever. So, Ocean, let's look at the graph here. Let's look at the daily stuff or what's going on here. Actually, you know what? Let's zoom out. Let's look at the weekly. So firstly, bang, this is my prediction. I'm going to put it out there right now. $5 in, and that is not June 25. This is just my, like, about what I'd say the graph will look like if we put it in a bit like this, and that's a bit more realistic. By the end of 2024, October 2024, $5 I think is absolutely doable. I would say even higher by that time, but this is my target. This is my first target. It'll go up to $5. Number one target. I'll show you why my numbers are here in just a bit. So this is my Fibonacci. You got the swing low to the swing high, and you can see that Ocean has replaced it from here. We have touched the 618 here, the golden level, perfectly with this wick. We came down, and then with the next pump up, we tested the 0.5 of the previous bull cycle over here in that little rectangle. So we're testing the supports nicely, and we always rebound pretty nicely, which is extremely bullish for us at the moment. This is the first leg. Yeah, if you look at the Elliott wave theory, I would still say we're in the first leg. I would not count this as a leg 2. Absolutely not. As the retracement, I would say we're going to be going up until some major resistance, which you can see here is the all-time high. I think we're going to be hitting all-time high before we hit any kind of retracements back down, which could very possibly be the 618. I doubt it. I think we could probably just be seeing this even over here, depending on what happens with Bitcoin and what the whole market decides to do. But from here, let's say we hit all-time high, that'd be about 50%, which is about correct with the Bitcoin consolidation when we find some health in the market, because we are very overextended even now, but there's so much buying power. I'm not too worried just yet. But yes, so this is my prediction, $5 for Ocean long term. Let's look at the smaller time scale now, and why I think now is the correct time to buy in. Again, bullish crossover on the RSI. We're very low in this buying power, so we're a bit not undersold, not at all, but we are going to be rising now, it looks like, and then we could hit the overbought, which would put us somewhere over here, 1.5, really quite easily. We're in this downwards. This is just a perfect bullish flag. Let's not mess about here. This is absolutely perfect. We've got the stick, and then we've got the flag, and this is one of the most bullish patterns there is in crypto. And so I am expecting at least to this local high, this 21% here. I would say we go up to here to these and start pressuring these all-time highs slowly over here. I think this could be a massive leg up to finish that first leg up of the Elliott wave theory. So this is why I would just be buying into Ocean now. Simple as that. It's got, what is the market cap right now? 660 million market cap. So it's pretty small. It's not anything major. It is on most of the, all of them, yeah, all of the main exchanges: Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Coinbase, Kraken, Uniswap, everything, yeah. So it's not difficult to get this coin, so the volumes are going to be generally quite high. So yeah, 600 million is a perfect, I think, buying opportunity. It's got so much space to grow, but it's not that small. There's not that much risk in this purchase. So yeah, touching this support now, looking perfect to break out of this bullish flag. I would say buy Ocean now. Not financial advice. That is just what I have done with my trade. Okay, and the last coin. This is my favorite. I think if you don't have this in your wallet, you are missing out so much. Is Badmad robots. It's metal. It is. This is okay. It's got only 70 million market cap, which is quite low. I have been in it since the market cap was 19 million. So I've got quite a lot of profit on it already. I think I'm already, yeah, 3x on this coin. And I'll show you all about the project and all about this coin, because I think it's an absolute hidden gem and one of the best in the market. So Badmad Robots, it's a gaming coin, so it's in the gaming industry, and I'll show you exactly what it is here on Steam. So if you don't know what Steam is one of the largest platforms to buy any games, to access any games. It's the largest PC uh, whatever this is, platform to buy games and to play with multiplayer people, like multiplayer games. So if you want to play games on PC, this is always where you basically come to. Steam has got all the games: Rocket League, CS, Rainbow Six Siege, and all of these big games. And Badmad Robots is the first ever crypto project to come and be released on Steam. And not only Steam, it's going to be released on Epic Games as well. It's already confirmed it's going to be released on Epic Games and Steam, two of the biggest platforms for games in the world. So you got Epic Games, which has got Fortnite, of course, and all these massive games, and then you've got Steam, which has got all of the others basically. So you've got this first crypto project ever to be released on these massive platforms, and it's already coming soon. It's already confirmed, and you can see the graphics look absolutely amazing. It's a robot game. I'm not too sure about what the purpose, like what your goals are in the game, what you have to do, but there is a video on it here where you find some people and they help you up. There's a car. I'm guessing you're going to be planting a bomb somewhere here, and it's going to be somewhat um, I'm guessing like a 5v5 shooter or something with multiple rounds. So a very meta kind of game. Uh, and so yeah, if you want to do more research into it, I definitely recommend that. I think it's going to be absolutely amazing. And I think once it comes out and once they actually release the first date of when it's going to be available to play for the public, Metal will, I'm thinking easily 5-10x just on that news. And then then it'll go down a lot. Yeah, then it'll have a massive retracement from that. The hype will really push it up, and then it will go down really quite fast. But then once it actually becomes available to play for people, once that day comes, it'll, I think, see permanent growth in the bull market and be absolutely massive. So this is a perfect time to get in. I had got in much lower than this. I'm not sure. I think just below this line. And so you can see I've already been predicting and trying to find where this is going. And the charts are really simple on this coin. I like it. I think anyone can chart this coin pretty well. You've got this a beautiful triangle. This is actually not that correct line. If you just replace it here and see that this is a rising support as well. So you've got higher lows. You can see that there. And we've got lower highs. It's looking just to be a perfect kind of triangle here. And a nice breakout here with about at least 50%, I would say. Because it's such a small coin, these 50% moves are really quite easy to catch. So definitely, this is my hidden gem. This is my moon bag. I'd say put any spare money that you don't have in your large coins. This is what I've done. I've taken small money that I just had left over from trades, any kind of profits I make here or there from trades. I just push it into metal. I think it's going to be an absolutely amazing coin in the future of this bull market. And yeah, those are my 3 coins. That's it. That's all you need. I'd say those are the 3 coins if you invested. Now, just as I have, I think, in my personal opinion, not in my expert opinion, I'm not an expert in any of this at all. This is just for my own benefit, me doing this, and then I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing, just in case you want to look at it and think it's a good idea. These are the 3 coins I think will make you millionaires in 2024, 2025, without a doubt in my mind. I think if you have, let's say, $10,000 spare somewhere that you can invest something, or maybe take out of stocks and put into crypto, these are the coins that I'd say you should be putting it into. But yeah, those are my 3 coins. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll definitely do your own research before investing into anything. Definitely on the actual projects themselves, especially KASPA, which I didn't even touch upon this video. But yes, good luck with the bull market. I'll be releasing a new video very soon, and peace out.